Hi everyone, I'm Leroy Villanueva and I'm ABM student at the Golden Faith Academy. I'm still figuring out what I want to do after graduation, but I'm really interested in the business field. I'm hoping to gain some experience in financing, marketing, and accounting through internships or voluntary work. It's a little overwhelming sometimes, but also exciting. Outside of school, I like to play basketball. I'm really into playing online games and I spend a lot of time family bonding. I also enjoying playing Roblox with my niece. I think I'm not very good at it yet. I'm always trying to learn new things. Things, true, that's me in a nutshell.